Okay, so what's up guys? So good afternoon. So I'm here once again to do a vlog. Yeah, magvo-vlog ako this afternoon kasi wala akong time mag-LS lately. So I decided na mag-vlog na lang. So yung iba-vlog ko is what I love doing or what I love to vlog. So syempre it's about another bag of mine. Okay, so this is not a new bag. It's something na nabili ko I think 2 years ago, but I haven't done a vlog about this bag. Okay, so this is again Michael Kors bag. I think this is the medium size of the, what do you call this, Michael Kors um, yeah, I think it's Michael Kors jet snap bag, if I'm not mistaken. Lalagay ko na lang din sa baba kung ano yung talagang tawag sa kanya. Okay, so I will do what's inside this bag. Okay, so first I want to show it to you. Napaka-spacious ng bag na to. Ang daming mong pwedeng ilagay. And this is only the medium size. Kasi meron siyang larger size. Okay? So what I like about this bag is, yun nga, marami kang pwedeng ilagay. So at the front, meron siyang pocket. Parang snap pocket. So dun sa pocket, meron siyang, hindi ko alam kung makita nyo, meron pa siyang mga compartment or slots for mga cards or anything na gusto mong ilagay pa. So aside from the cards, may pwede ka pang ilagay sa harap. And then sa loob, sobrang dami talaga mong pwedeng ilagay. Meron siyang bali 3 compartment. So this is the first one. Tapos meron siyang pocket dyan. I don't know kung nakikita nyo. And then sa middle, meron siyang zipper. So yan. Pwedeng dun nyo ilagay yung mga valuables, no? Like cellphone, wallet. Yun. And then sa likod, ito yung isa pang compartment. And then may inner pocket pa siya with zipper. Yan. Sorry, medyo magulo yung bag ko. Tapos meron pa siyang yan, mga pwede nyo pang insert yung mga things, no? That's why kahit medyo hindi ko siya na nagagamit ng madalas, hindi ko siya ma-let go kasi napaka-useful niya dahil ang dami mo talagang pwedeng ilagay sa kanya. Yan. So ngayon hindi ako tumodo ng laman inside this bag, pero ang dami-dami pang pwedeng ilagay. So let's see kung ano yung dala ko today. So I use this for work kasi hindi na ako nakapagpalit from weekend. Okay, so I have my alcohol and my spray for my throat. This is the Camila San. Super helpful to. If you feel na medyo itchy or masakit yung throat mo, spray mo lang 1-2 times, then you're okay na. And this is hindi talaga gamot, so parang herbal siya. And then I have my EasyLink card. So this is our way para makasakay ng bus and train. And then I have my blotting sheet, yeah, for the face. And then of course wet wipes, kailangan yan. And then I have my power bank, I have my cable, and then yun, ang gulo ng bag ko, yun lang masasabi ko. So I have my perfume, parang roller siya. Yan. So kung gusto ko hindi mabigat na perfume, yan, nadadalhin ko. So this is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume. I have my comb, maliit lang, manipis, like that. I have my essential oils. This one is for my acid reflux. I have my MAC lipstick. I have my lip and cheek tint. So the usual na dinadala ko. Nandito sila. I have another sanitizer. I have essential oil ulit. I I have lipstick again from Happy Skin. I have my essential oil. This one is for muscle pain. And then I have another MAC lipstick, nude shade. And then what else do I have? Walang masyadong laman. Pero yun nga. I have my card holder. Yan, napakita ko na sa inyo to last time. So, nandiyan yung mga debit cards. Yun. Then, dala ko yung pouch ko. This is from my Kate Spade bag. Pero nadala ko kasi so, ang laman nito ay mga medicines ko. Hindi ko na lang din papakita sa inyo. And some cash, lunch money. Yeah. Then, what else do I have? Actually, wala na. Meron pa pala. I have my mask. Lagi ako may dala. And I have my earphone. Yeah, that's it. And ang dami-dami ko pang pwedeng ilaman dito. Minsan, ilalagay ko rin yung umbrella ko dito at saka yung tubig, yung water bottle. So, yeah. Ito ay really highly recommended bag ko. You can bring this to the mall, to work, or you go out with day out with friends. Yeah, this is so good. So yeah, I highly recommend this Michael Kors handbag. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, this vlog, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.